Now I request our President, Dr. Anil Goyal, to give his presidential address.
Good evening, friends. We are slightly hurrying up the things as our guests are to leave within half an hour. Our chief guest, Honorable Minister of Law and Justice and Communication and Information Technology, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad Ji, Honorable Attorney General of India, Shri Mukul Rohatgi Ji, Principal Secretary Head, Mrs. Madhugar of Government of Delhi, Dr. Arun Agarwal, President Delhi Medical Council, Dr. Vinay Agarwal, Dr. K.K. Agarwal, Dr. Harish Gupta, and all my others, including he, Dr. Bhagat, Dr. Ashwini, Dr. V.K. Arora, and all. Sir, as you all know, this is the 100th year of DMA, and it is a matter of great honor and pride for all of us that we are celebrating Doctors' Day as a remembrance towards the legendary stalwart Bharat Ratna Dr. P.C. Rai, the first Chief Minister of West Bengal, who was the only Chief Minister in the country. When he was Chief Minister, he was practicing also for 1 hour every day. DMA on this day reaffirms its commitment to the society and felicitates distinguished members of DMA for their outstanding services towards the medical profession and the society. Today, we are felicitating doctors known internationally for their outstanding work in medical science and the society. We have Dr. Khalilullah, who started cardiology way back in 1980s, if I am correct, in G.B. Pant Hospital, when there was no cardiology services possibly in Delhi. We have Dr. Ravi Kant, who is a product of Delhi and presently Vice Chancellor of King George's Medical University, Lucknow. We have Dr. Neelam Clare Padma Bhushan, and she is the only couple with Mr. Clare and Mrs. Clare who has got Padma Bhushan in this country. We have Dr. J.K. Jain, Dr. Upendra Kaul, and many more, because of whose pioneering work Delhi is on international medical scene. I, on behalf of DMA, salute you, sir. You all are guiding beacon to all of us, and we shall always be grateful to all of you, respected awardees. Needless to say, we have Dr. R.K. Grover, Dr. D.C. Grover, Dr. Harit. They are known in the field of cancer. In public health, Dr. Dariwal, Dr. P.K. Sharma, Dr. K.K. Chaudhary are doing exemplary job. But when we talk of diabetes, I think in this hall everybody knows one name, and you go on Google, there is only one name which pops up, that is Dr. Anup Mishra, who is being awarded today. Dr. Deepak Talwar is a known name in chest physician. Rajiv Sood has not only fought cancer, but he has survived and doing hundreds of surgery every month nowadays. But you all know that medical fraternity is doing what it is doing despite heavy odds. When we went to invite Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad Ji for this program, he asked us, why are you inviting me in a Doctor's Day program? I told him we know a lot about medicine, but we do not know much about laws governing medicine, medical professionals, healthcare institutions. We need to learn with you, sir. We need to interact with you to find out a way forward to deal with medical legal issues with a view not only to save patients, but possibly this is time that we need to think of Save Doctors campaign strategy. We told him that medical fraternity needs dynamic people like you and Shri Mukul Rohatgi Ji with a vision to solve the legal issues faced by medical professionals and healthcare institutions, and everybody's aim today is serve the society. I also wish to take this opportunity to draw your attention and the attention of the House. We all know only 3,000 students are selected out of 5 lakh applicants in AIPMT. And after 10 years of rigorous training, they are able to practice as doctors. And as doctors, we all know that we are working under trying and difficult situations to save human lives. We believe you. We believe that both of you, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad Ji and Shri Mukul Rohatgi Ji, in the government, reasonable laws and self-governance by the medical fraternity may be the norm one day. Sir, a doctor has to follow hundreds of laws in different departments if he wishes to start a neighborhood clinic or a healthcare center or something related to health. We request you as Minister of Law and Justice to have single window clearance for health and healthcare centric laws. There is one more medical negligence cases. This is hiding the purpose for which it was made. We think that it has made doctors more times patients, but we also need an acute appendicitis. But in a remote center, we may not do CT scan. That is why possibly we are doing a defensive medical practice. It is adopted by anxious doctors as a defense mechanism against CPA to avoid litigations. We need to have an open debate vis-a-vis CPA and with dynamic persons as Law Minister, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, and Shri Mukul Rohatgi as Attorney General of India, who is a friend of lot of us sitting here. Justice would be done for medical fraternity to serve the society in a fearless manner, and CPA against medical profession would be rationalized or possibly scrapped. There is a solution to it. Medical councils need to be given more powers to deal with such cases with a cap on compensation. You cannot give compensation to the tune of 10 crores or 11 crores like that. Sir, CEA, that is Clinical Establishment Act by previous UPA government, was passed in hurried manner, where the doctor's clinic without beds are termed as clinical establishment. This law needs revision. IMA has already given the regulations to be followed, and we are ready to be governed by this. Quid pro quo is a legal language. We have also learned recently. What that means is you need to pay something in return of a service. And Delhi country needs help for all, and the private sector need to be given incentives and infrastructure status. Herein, there are a lot of rules in DDA which mandates that you have to pay conversion charges every year, which defies any logic. Sir, with you as Communication Information Technology Minister, you can initiate telemedicine for accessible healthcare in the remotest part of the country, and that can make health for all, which is on the top agenda of your government, a real possibility. Shri Mukul Rohatgi ji has a great in-depth knowledge of the legal issues, and we thank him today, not only coming here, but for accepting. He is such a busy practitioner, accepting the role of Attorney General of India. I would also take this opportunity to congratulate all the awardees. और अंत में कई बार हमने पहले भी कहा कि अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं सर आप लोगों के साथ. हमको लगता है डॉक्टर फ्रेटर्निटी के भी अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं और हम आपके साथ उसके सहभागी होना चाहते हैं. धन्यवाद.